Hello everyone, this is our project about ocean acidification. First, we will explain the definitions of acids and bases. Acids are ionic compounds that break apart in water, creating a hydrogen ion. Bases: an ionic compound that breaks apart in water. Bases remove hydrogen ions, sometimes also creating hydroxide ion. Now, what are fossil fuels? Fossil fuels are hydrocarbon compounds. They are formed by the breakdown of plant and animal life in Earth's geological past. This includes oil, natural gas, and coal. Fossil fuel consumption has increased significantly over the past half century, since 1850, and roughly doubling since 1980. As we see in the graphs, there is a clear relation between the rise of fossil fuels and ocean acidification over the years. Huge unnatural amounts of carbon dioxide are emitted into the atmosphere by cars, factories, and other man-made fuel-burning sources. This fairly recent and sudden mass release of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere is negatively affecting sea life. The carbon dioxide finds its way from the atmosphere into the ocean. When the carbon dioxide meets the water, it reacts and forms carbonic acid. Each molecule of carbonic acid then dissociates two hydrogen ions. This means a lower pH and thus an acidification of the ocean. The acidity of water internally dissolves the calcium carbonate of shells and exoskeletons of sea creatures. Zooplankton have very thin exoskeletons. Because of the increased acidity of the ocean, H+ ions threaten to react with calcium carbonate in their shells. Zooplankton are the base of the oceanic food chain. Without them, the food chain would collapse, affecting the vast majority of marine species. Every year, there is a global emission of greenhouse gases worth of 49 times 10 to the 9th ton. 76% of this is produced by the use of fossil fuels. This concludes into 37 times 10 to the 9th ton. The vast majority of energy produced worldwide consists of fossil fuels. This accounts for 65% energy produced worldwide. The other sources consist of biomass, nuclear energy, and renewable energy. Now, what can you do? Ocean acidification is a consequence of CO2 emissions. That is why climate action is a good way to stop ocean acidification. Limiting your CO2 emissions can be done in different ways. For example, buy local and seasonal products. Our CO2 emission is also influenced by the way we move. So maybe take the bike to work next time. Please help us to spread the word and spread awareness. This was our presentation about ocean acidification. We hope you all learned something.